Hello students, once again welcome back to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to teach chapter 16 from the book Real English 8. The name of the chapter is City Lights. This chapter I am going to teach in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Okay? That means today I am going to teach the first half, and in my next video I am going to teach the second half of this chapter. Come on, let's start. Meera lives in a place called Maika. Clear? Where does Meera live? In a place called Maika, which is far away from the hustle and bustle of cities. Now, this place, Maika, it's far away from the hustle and bustle of cities. Now, what does the word hustle and bustle mean? It means busy and noisy activity. Okay? So, the place where Meera lives is a very quiet place. Okay? Peaceful place where days are full of sunlight and nights are filled with darkness. Okay? The place where Meera lives, the days are full of sunlight and nights are filled with darkness. Night is ushered in at dusk. Lamps are lit and crickets begin chirping. Okay, what happens at night? Lamps are lit and crickets begin chirping. Now, what are crickets? Crickets means chirping insects like grasshoppers. Clear? Sometimes night is dark and deep, singing a lullaby for the tired. Now, what is lullaby? Lullaby means a soothing song sung to make someone sleep. Clear? Once again, I'm telling. Lullaby means a soothing song sung to make someone sleep. Sometimes night is dark and deep, singing a lullaby for the tired. Sometimes it is awash with moonlight. Now let's see the question. Where does Meera live? Answer. Meera lives in Maika. Come on, let's continue. As darkness descends, everything becomes quiet and peaceful. Clear? What happens after darkness? Everything becomes quiet and peaceful. The body gets tired after the day's work is done. Clear? The body gets tired after the day's work is done. It is the time to take rest and sleep. Okay, at night is the time to take rest and sleep. After the sunsets, nature looks different in the stillness of the night. Clear? After the sunset, what happens? Nature looks different in the stillness of the night with all its magic and mystery. Behold the magic of great magnitude unfold before your eyes. You can see a dark sky studded with twinkling stars and the shy moon. Come on, let's see the question. What happens as darkness descends? Answer. As darkness descends, everything becomes quiet and peaceful. Come on, let's continue. Moonlight plays on the ground, creating fascinating shadows. You can hear mysterious sounds of nocturnal creatures. At night, what can you hear? Mysterious sounds of nocturnal creatures. Now, what is nocturnal? Nocturnal means happening or activity at night. Clear? The hooting of the owl. Owl is a nocturnal creature. Okay? The hooting of the owl and the croaking of frogs add to the sound effect. The fragrance of flowers fills the air. Clear? The fragrance of the flower. Fragrance means smell of flowers fills the air. People glide into dreams and wake up when the first rays of the sun dispel darkness at dawn. It's a new beginning. Okay? In the morning when you get up from the bed, it's a new beginning, isn't it? Now let's see the question. What happens after the sunset? After the sunset, nature looks different in the stillness of the night with all its magic and mystery. Natasha lives in a congested part of big city. Clear? Where does Natasha live? In a congested part of a big city that never sleeps. In fact, it comes more alive after sunset when the city gets transformed into a luminous place. Okay? Now the place where Natasha lives, okay, that place changes into that city gets transformed into luminous place at night. Okay? Floodlights eliminate darkness after 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, floodlights eliminates the darkness. Means there is no darkness also. Okay, because of so much light. Okay, the flavors of city nights never ebbs. The sky looks dark, but dazzling city lights push the stars into oblivion. Okay, the sky looks dark. Okay, but in the city there's dazzling city lights. Okay, now the twinkling little stars becomes almost invisible. Now no one notices the stars. It mostly becomes invisible. Okay. Instead of shooting stars, airplanes hoot through the night sky. Okay. What happens at night over there? Airplanes hoot through the night sky. Okay. There is a difference between city and village. Okay. Now Natasha lives in a congested part of a big city. So the condition is such. Okay. Whereas Meera lives in a place which is very calm and quiet. Therefore, the condition is different. Clear? Up to this much. With this, I am concluding this video. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.